Hi, this is Suzuk, and today let's learn how to download your unofficial academic transcript from UA Online. So here I am in Chrome. I will search for UA Online and click the login button. As you can see, I had my settings set up to save my login information, so I will click login. You will start at Student Services and Account Information right here. Do not go to Official Transcript Service, Request Service. Instead, go to Student Records because our HR department is fine with an unofficial transcript printed off. So go to Academic Transcript. It should already be default to all levels and web unofficial transcript. So you click submit and your transcript shows up. So if you go to print, instead of your printer, you can save it as a PDF. And the last time I printed, I did it in landscape. So I'm going to change this to portrait before I save it. And now I can save it. Now what I like to do is I prefer to put my name. So Suzuk Academic Transcript. And I like to put the date, October 2020. And you can change it to save to your desktop or a folder that you prefer and click save. And there you go. Let me hide my Chrome. So now if you see my desktop, here's the transcript. So I can go into my email and attach this and send it to hr@bssd.org. That's how you download your unofficial academic transcript. Daja.